Hey everybody, I had this fun idea I was thinking about. So much of the fitness industry and gym workouts is about playlists. It's music you love. So I had this idea that why aren't more facilities using Spotify codes like as posters in your club? So this little code here to the let me for right under my head. If you scan this with the Spotify app, there's a little camera in the corner. You see that? So if you hit this camera icon and then hover over the little code in front of me, oh, it will load the playlist that you have programmed in on the code. And so you can listen to music. You can set playlists for your members for PT sessions. You could have a new one every week. I just think it would be a really cool marketing thing to post on your social channels and also in your facility. So I'm going to show you how to make one. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is you're going to find a playlist you like. You can go to Spotify, right? And then right here on Spotify, there's these little three dots, and you can copy the link to playlist right here. And then you go to something called Spotify codes, and you're just going to simply paste this in here. Control copy, control paste. You get your code. You can download it, and you see there's a different picture here, but right now this is the barcode right here in the middle. Once you download this code will be recognized by the Spotify app of the playlist or song you chose, which is really cool. There's the fun graphic. See right here in the corner, this is the one you downloaded. And so you could just copy this, give this to your designer, have them print it on a code, or just cut the bottom of that code off and use it. But if you want to take it a step further, you can go into something free like Canva, and you can just pick out any of these templates that would speak to your club. There's probably a lot of templates you can find in Photoshop. I chose this one right here just to kind of show you an example, and I preloaded some stuff. Where's my little design? So what I did was I went in here, and I just placed the code in this little white bar. Well, maybe I didn't. Anyway, so the way I came up with this design before is you can then upload, import your file from your desktop that you just downloaded, right? And then you could add in just a few elements if you want, right? Depending on your logo. It's not too hard to, well, it's actually very hard. But if you want to do it the nice way, you could drop in your company logo. You could change these texts to say weekly mix. We put the little code right here. And what I did, so that's just an idea of how you could do one of these codes, right? The same thing. This is all you. This is your identity. This is the Spotify code. And so what I did was just to add, a little flavor to it. I was thinking what would make it fun. So, I added maybe every week you have something new from your staff. So this is from your GM, Mo Gaines. Anyway, I think this is where I get into the marketing. But the point here was I think using these Spotify codes could be a really cool way to engage your member base, have them get to know the staff. Like a lot of fitness is about engagement with your club, right? So it's a good way to bring your personality into it, bring something fun, bring something different, get people talking about the music, and hopefully getting in for more PT sessions and engage clients. So I hope this is something that you can try out, and I hope it works. And other than that, check out our 3D scanning page. We'd love to tell you about body composition and what we do at Fit3D. Thank you very much. Bye.